So here in this particular problem, we are provided that 2002 factorial that's equals to n, and using this fact we need to find the value of the given expression. So let's begin. So here we will use a property of logarithm. That's if we have log of a with a base of b, that's equals to the reciprocal of log of b with a base of a. So we'll use this property to rewrite each of the terms. So our first term will become log of 2 with a base of n, plus the second term will become log of 3 with a base of n, plus the third term log of 4 with a base of n, and this will continue to the last term, which is log of 2002 with a base of n. In doing so, we see that we get logarithm where all of them has a common base of n and with a coefficient of 1. That means we can now combine them using a property of log, which is log of a plus log of b. So that's equals to log of a times b. That means we will get log of base n will have 2 multiplied to 3 multiplied to 4, and this multiplication goes all the way up to the last term, which is 2002. Now here we can also include 1. Now the multiplication of 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way up to 2002. So this is our factorial 2002. Right. So here we have used it 1 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 3 all the way up to 2002. So that's equals to 2002 factorial. Now it's given in the problem that 2002 factorial. So this value is equals to n. So we have log of n. So we have replaced 2002 factorial with n, the base of n. Now this value goes to 1. That's because when we have log of a with the base of a, and this value is always equals to 1. In our case, our a value is equals to n. That means the value of this given expression is going to be equals to 1.